Hello, welcome to my channel. So today I'm privileged to have this. I have this one here. Can you read it? This Case Classic Condoms. I also have this, which contains this kind of condom, Trust condom. I also have this. I don't have a mannequin. I do not have the nini. So we have the mannequin which can represent the male genital. So I'm not going to use a mannequin because I don't have it, but I'm going to use either this one or this one to represent the male genital organs. I also have this over here. Yes, this is the most common. This one is provided by the government of Kenya as a mod lubricated condoms, government of Kenya. So today we're going to discuss about the correct procedure, the right way of using condoms. I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on the correct way of using a condom as a mode of contraception. So condoms are the only method of contraception that protect you against getting HIV and AIDS. They're the only mode of contraception that protect you against getting a urinary tract infection and sexually transmitted diseases. They are the only method of contraception that protect you from getting the infections and also protect you from getting pregnant. Other methods of contraception only protect you from getting pregnant, but they do not protect you from getting HIV and other infections. So it is important to consider using condoms as a mode of contraception so that you do not get HIV, so that you do not get sexually transmitted diseases, so that you do not get other urinary tract infections which you can get it through sex. So today we're going to talk about the step-by-step guide on how to use a condom. So welcome to my channel. For those who are new to my channel, my name is Maxwell Abwire, and in this channel I discuss about different health related topics. So consider subscribing if you like such kind of content. Also, don't forget to put a comment down in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to like the video, and you can also consider sharing this video to your friends and other people who might be in need of such kind of information. So welcome to my channel, and without wasting more time, let's get started to the video of today.
I be so sick of you niggas, y'all contradicting. I be so bored myself when you come and fuck me. I feel so ordinary, except when you around me. Treat me like corduroy, you wear me out. Arguments, you air me out. Tripping about you.
Welcome again. So condoms, when used correctly, when you use the condoms correctly, it has a 98% chance of protecting you against getting infections and also protecting you from getting pregnant. So when you use it the correct way, the correct procedure, when you follow the correct procedure, which I'm going to give you, so it has a 98% chance of protecting you from getting infections and also from getting pregnant. So before using a condom, there are several things which you need to put into consideration. There are several things which you need to know. So first of all, you should only wear a condom when you have had a firm erection. Do not rush to wear a condom because it will interfere with the movement of blood to your penis, and it will interfere with your erection. So ensure that you only use the moment you have the correct timing, so that the moment you are going to use the condoms, you use it when you have had firm erections. Also, you need to know that the condoms should only be used once. Yes, you do not overuse or do not reuse a condom. So while using a condom, the moment you ejaculate, you need to remove the condom. Whenever you are continuing to have sex, you should take another condom so that you and wear another condom so that you can continue using a condom. Also, you need to understand that you should not use more than one condom. Maybe you are afraid of getting sexually transmitted diseases of HIV, or maybe somebody told you that you are afraid that when you are having sex with a certain lady, because you are afraid that she might be having HIV and AIDS, and some people maybe they are paranoid, you might think that when you use more than one condom, it is the best way of you using a condom. No, the when you use more than one condom, you are increasing the chances of it becoming torn or for it becoming ruptured. So only use one condom during sex. Also, you need to know that you should not use oil-based lubricants. Do not use the oil-based lubricants while using a condom. Oil-based lubricants and other lotions such as Vaseline, this one will create small microscopic holes in the condom, which will reduce the effectiveness of using the condom. So those are the things which you need to put into consideration before using a condom. So let's go through the procedure of using a condom. The first step of using a condom is checking the expiry dates of the condoms. Ensure you check if the condoms have expired. Using expired condoms will result to you contracting infections and also contracting getting pregnant, because the effectiveness of the condoms will only last within the days whereby you find that the condoms have not yet expired. So first of all, this one, we look for the expiry dates of the condoms. So we find that it is written here in black. So here I can read it. I don't know if you will be able to see this black here. So it was manufactured on the June 2022 and it will expire on May 2027. If you can be able to read the thing in black here. Also, this one, where is the expiry date? Yes, it is here in white. So it was manufactured on May 2024 and it will expire on April 2029. So this is the place whereby you look. This white patch here is where they have written the expiry dates. Let's see if just the expiry dates here. You can also find the expiry dates written here. It is written in black. Hope you will be able to see. I don't think if you will be able to see, but I'll know on how to show you on how to check the expiry dates of these kinds of condom. On this third type of condom, this one, so the expiry dates is written here in white, and I'm sure also on the condom inside we will be able. So this one is hard. I can open it. It is also has expiry dates written here in black. So when you look at the expiry dates, we'll find that this one was manufactured on on May 2024 and it will expire on April 2029. So you can find it here, and you can also find it printed in black in the inside or in this condom. So first of all, you need to check the expiry date so that you know that you are using the correct the condoms in the right timing, the correct timing, because it will fail when you use expired condoms. So the other thing which you need to put into consideration is the way you store your condoms. You can buy condoms which have not yet expired, but the moment you're going to use, because of poor storage, condoms need to be used stored in a cool and dry places. So the correct places whereby you can store your condoms include whereby at the drawer whereby you sleep in your bed, you can store condoms there. We have for those people who have drawers in their bedroom, in their beds. You can also store condoms in the backpacks. Backpacks are the ones which you wear on your back. You can also store condoms in your purses, and you can also store condoms in your purses or handbags. As ladies who use handbags, they can use their handbags to store condoms. So the places whereby you need to know to use to store the condoms include placing condoms in wallets. Because of the heat in wallets, condoms do not need to be placed in the places which have heat, because it interferes with the effectiveness of the condoms. You also have some people who put it or in pockets in the inside. We have some men who wear more than two. They can wear a short inside before wearing a trouser. Yes, most men use the shorts. They wear shorts before putting on a trouser. So you find that they have placed condoms in the inside pockets of the shorts. You find that because of the heat, because the shorts are in contact with the body, and it will experience a lot of heat, because also you are wearing other trousers on top of that. So it will interfere with the effectiveness of the condom. So the second procedure is to carefully open and remove the wrapper. Carefully open the wrapper, the outside this package whereby you find that the condom is stored. This outward package. So you need to carefully open and remove the wrapper. So you should not use your teeth. Do not do like this. Most people use their teeth to open the condom, so you should not use your teeth to open the condom. Also, do not use if you have long nails. You have longer nails. Be careful while opening the wrappers, because your nails might tear the condom. So we are going to carefully open our wrapper. So I'm going to use this one for demonstration. So you just need to use your fingers, not your any other tool, not using carefully, just like that. So after opening, we remove our condom. So I hope you can be able to see this one. So you need to check the tip of our condom. So we'll find that our tip is on this side, on the bottom side. So you need to confirm the tip so that you can know the direction which the condom will roll. So after opening your wrapper and checking for a tip, you place the condom on the head of an erect and a firm penis. We say that you should only wait until the moment whereby you have had a firm erection. That is when you go and wear a condom. Do not wear a condom whereby you have not achieved an erection. So we place it at the head of our penis. So this is where we said we are going to demonstrate to use like that. Have I placed it the correct way? Yes, it is the correct way. So just place it at the head of the penis. So next, you need to pinch out excess air. If you have been placing it and you find that it has some excess air, you need to pinch out some air from this tip. And you should also leave some space. You should not just pinch and remove everything. You should leave some space. You see that this condom has some lubrication here, if you can be able to see some little lubrication. So we pinch and remove excess air. And while removing the air, you should also leave a small space. You should not just pinch and remove it completely. You should pinch and leave just a small space which the ejaculate or the semen coming out from you from during ejaculation. That is the place whereby the semen can be stored. So before placing the condom on the head of an erect penis, you can consider also putting some lubrication to increase the sensitivity. Here you can place some lubrication, just a small amount of lubrication. Do not put excess lubrication, because you are increasing the chances of the condom slipping off. So you need to just put some lubrication so that to increase sensitivity of the condom inside this condom on this other side of the condom. Also, while applying and I said we use only the water-based lubricants, do not use the oil-based lubricants with latex condom. Also, to increase also the lubrication, you can apply the condom on the outside part of the condom. So after placing the condom on the head of an erect penis, you just unwrap it. Just do like this. You see? You just unwrap it like that. You push it slowly towards the shaft of the penis. So while unwrapping, so if you find that you have a foreskin, if you are not circumcised, before unwrapping the condom, you should just pull back a little bit. You just pull back the foreskin before unwrapping the condom. So just unwrap it towards the shaft of the penis. So after unwrapping, that is when you can apply lubrication on this other side of the condom, the outer part of the condom. So after doing that, you can go and enjoy sex. You can go and have sex. So after you having sex, after you having an ejaculation, that is when you can go back now on how to remove the condom. So while removing the condom, first of all, you need to hold the base. You hold the base of the condom. I don't have somebody who can hold for me this one. So you hold here and you support here with your other hand. So one hand will be holding here and the other one will support this one, and you remove it carefully like that. So you should ensure that while in the process of removing the condom, that you do not you should not let the semen come out from the penis. So after each ejaculation, ensure that you remove the condom. Yes, you remove the condom and put it somewhere. Then you go and take another condom and put it on. So after sex, that is when you go back and count the number of condoms which you are using. If you have been using 3, 4, or 2, you go there and count them, ensure they are correct. When you go there and count them, you should also check if there is a sign of tearing. You ensure that while you are using them, they were not torn. So after checking that, that is when you can go and throw the condoms. So if you find that maybe one of it got torn, you can consider using other methods of contraception. You can buy an emergency pill and also get tested for HIV and know on how you can protect yourself from getting HIV and AIDS. So after that, you just go and wrap the condoms in a tissue paper. And after wrapping the condom in a tissue paper, that's when you go and throw them in a dustbin. Do not throw condoms in your toilets, because they will cause blockage. They will cause issues with plumbing, whereby you find that we have some places whereby you find that they do not like accommodating men, because they know that men usually throw, not only men, youths usually throw condoms in the toilets which in houses, whereby you find that they have toilets inside the houses. So most people throw them here, and you find that it will reach a time whereby they will cause blockage in the toilet. So you need to ensure that you throw them in the dustbin, so that you avoid such kind of problems. So with that said, I've talked about the step-by-step guide on how you can protect yourself, on how you can use a condom. So if you have any question, any suggestion, please put it down in the comment section below. So I've come to the end of my video. Please consider subscribing, liking, and sharing the video. I've decided to put this towards the end, because by the time whereby I was going to edit the video, I found out that there's a point whereby my camera just switched itself off. So I did not cover this last part of this video. So with that said, just consider subscribing. Don't forget to like the video, and don't forget to put a comment down in the comment section below. So with that said, bye bye for now. Let's meet in my next video.